Nice.
No, supposed to be done.
That's supposed to be better.
Oh, okay.
Too much ice.
Wow, how do you make it thin, huh?
Oh, roti. Hey, we went for the banana style. Probably.
So I need to use butter to cook it.
Yeah.
你去给他们俩送奖吗？I'm gonna give them that little bus. It's $80. Hey.
โรตีไหมครับสั่งไหนเลยครับสั่งไหนนะครับโรตีครับ ครับถ้วยที่สั่งไหนครับเอามาคุยหาก่อน查个出的比例叫สั่งไหนเลยครับโรตีครับ你这个像茶不茶？哎，你这个像茶不茶？
不在你买的，不过那个码确实蛮好看的，都很好。
I'll drop them off for them, okay? And you go find us.
You're sitting there, mom, and they're not moving. That's why they want to get our nails done?
No.
Why not?
Not at all, Teddy. Not at all. We've seen it made, now let's try one. It really tastes a lot like fried banana, like a breaded coating. Pretty sweet, whatever sauce put on top. Really sweet. Banana has an extra sweetness. Basically, kind of, if you ever had fried banana, reminds me of fried banana. Oh, I know. If you ever had banana pancakes in America, it's a lot like this light, except it's a little sweeter with that white sauce they put on and very buttery flavoring too.